not dead. I got my haircut. And the video of me increasing the range on my RC car was not a tutorial. Please stop downvoting it. It wasn't a... So Chromebooks, everyone's seen them at this point. I mean, the school, the library, your friend who has one because their parents are too cheap to get anything else, your business friend Kyle that says they're the best thing ever so you can write your paper whenever you want and do your Excel sheets. But Kyle doesn't know you're a third-year engineering major and that your final is stupid. What ad do you get spammed with for who you are? Mine's Chromebook, can't you tell? It's like my zodiac sign, but more annoying. And sure, golly gee, we love all those ads. The great ads. Yeah, sure, they're regular ads with their ethos, pathos, and logos of the Triforce, but like, they're just ads. They're just bad. Super bad. I've seen the stupid I'm dying one like a million times. I've seen which one? The one where it's like malware protection for like installed. It's like Windows got that, Apple's got that. Like that is wait, hold on. Where is it? This Sinclair 1000 from 1981 has it. Well, kinda. But like, okay, one thing. They were effective. I'll give them that. It making me getting this. Like, for the same price, I can either buy a new Chromebook or a Timex Sinclair 1000 from 1981. So, it's been about 2 days since I've worked on this video. I didn't know Chromebooks were, like, super expensive. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure schools get a discount, but holy crap. Like, watching the nail getting driven into that Chromebook now just kind of hurts more than it did before. And it still works great, unlike the 5-year updates that Chrome will give you and then forget you. Let me reiterate. Reiterate. They will update it for you for 5 years from once you bought it and started using it, and then you're done with it. Like, you have to buy a new one. Like, even Chrome, Apple, Linux. Well, Linux, like, you just choose whenever. But, like, Windows will even give you, like, the updates, even if you don't want it. But they'll give it to you. You bought it. It's yours. Like, you just bought the hardware for Chrome. It sucks. It's just, like, it's stupid. Okay, you know what the real kicker is, though? The boot up time. Less than 7 seconds. One, that's a lie. Maybe, like, in the initial boot up that you first get it, maybe that's true. But everyone that I've used at school, I never used one at work. I didn't need to, but like everyone that I've used at school, seen someone else use it. Just even the test video from what's his name, Jay's Tech Vault took his mom's like Chromebook that he bought her or like I don't know. It booted up in 12 seconds. 12, and she has pictures on there. Like he said, I don't know. I'll put the link in the video, but like my Ghetto 3000 just. My custom built PC. I didn't build it. My friend built it. I made him build it for me. I don't know anything. Boots up in 14 seconds. Hers booted up in 12. Like, you don't understand. That's 2 seconds between a couple pictures and files on hers and 400 gigabytes of stuff on mine. Like it. All your arguments they don't work.